So I came up with the idea of cutting the ribs into thirds a long time ago. I originally did it so that I could get more ribs into a single pan when I used to make the ribs in the oven and finish them on the grill many years ago. I found that it doesn't really affect the flavor or the juiciness of the ribs, but it just makes them easier to handle, and frankly you can jam more into the same size space. You can use any rub you want or nothing at all on these ribs, but I would caution you, you need to rub meat with salt. If you want to know more about it, there's a bajillion YouTube videos about why salt's important to meat. But the bottom line is it's important that you salt your meat at least a couple hours before you cook it. The rub I use has kosher salt in it and some other spices and things, and I usually rub the meat 1 to 3 days ahead of when I'm going to cook it, so the flavor really gets into the meat and the final product is absolutely delicious. So there's nothing earth-shattering about how I'm cooking these ribs. I'm using what's called the 3-2-1 method. 3 hours uncovered, 2 hours covered, 1 hour uncovered, you're done. If you want to know more about the 3-2-1 method, I'm sure there's a bajillion YouTube videos out there that explains it a lot better than I do. My purpose of this video, I just want to show people that yes, you can make amazing ribs for peanuts and eat like a king.